Vertical integration, streamlining farm operations. Title: Vertical integration, streamlining farm operations. Introduction. In today's evolving agricultural landscape, farmers face numerous challenges, increasing input costs, market volatility, and stringent regulations, just to name a few. To navigate these hurdles and remain competitive, many farmers are turning to vertical integration as a strategy to streamline their operations and secure greater control over the value chain. Vertical integration involves the consolidation of several steps in the production and distribution process under a single entity. This article will explore the concept of vertical integration in farming, its benefits, drawbacks, and the trends shaping its implementation. Understanding vertical integration. Vertical integration refers to the merging of different stages of production or distribution processes within one company, allowing for greater control, efficiencies, and economies of scale. In the context of farming, this can involve integrating various activities such as crop production, livestock rearing, processing, and marketing, under a single organizational structure. Benefits of vertical integration in farm operations. 1. Increased decision-making power. Vertical integration enables farmers to have better control over the entire value chain, from production to market. They can make quicker decisions regarding input selection, production methods, and pricing strategies, without relying on external entities. 2. Cost efficiencies. By eliminating middlemen and reducing transaction costs, farmers can achieve cost savings through vertical integration. Direct control over inputs, production processes, and marketing channels allows for optimizing resource allocation and minimizing waste. 3. Quality control. Vertical integration provides an opportunity for maintaining consistent quality standards at each stage of the production process. Farmers can monitor the entire supply chain, ensuring adherence to desired quality levels, and reducing the risk of contamination or compromised products. 4. Market stability. By incorporating processing and marketing activities, farmers can secure a stable market for their products. This reduces vulnerability to market fluctuations, as they have more control over pricing and distribution, thereby ensuring a more predictable revenue stream. 5. Improved traceability. Vertical integration enables farmers to have better traceability of their products, tracking them from farm to fork. This increased transparency enhances consumer trust and allows for the implementation of traceability systems to comply with regulatory and certification requirements. Drawbacks and challenges. Despite its advantages, vertical integration also presents some challenges and potential drawbacks that farmers should consider. 1. Initial capital requirements. Setting up integrated farming operations often requires significant upfront investments. Acquiring land, purchasing machinery, and establishing processing and storage facilities can be costly, potentially limiting the entry of small-scale farmers. 2. Increased complexity and management requirements. Integrating multiple activities within a farming operation can add complexity to business management. Farmers need to possess or acquire a broad skill set to effectively manage diverse aspects such as production, processing, marketing, and distribution. 3. Market concentration risk. Vertical integration may lead to increased market concentration, where a few large players dominate the entire value chain. This could limit competition, reduce market access for smaller players, and potentially result in limited choices for consumers. 4. Dependency on internal performance. Integrating various stages of production also means assuming full responsibility for each step's performance. Any issues, such as crop failure or operational challenges, can have a cascading effect within the integrated system, potentially jeopardizing the entire operation. current trends and future outlook. In recent years, several trends have influenced the adoption and scale of vertical integration in farming. 1. Increasing consumer demand for premium products. Consumers are placing greater emphasis on product quality, safety, and sustainability. Vertical integration allows farmers to meet these demands by exerting greater control and implementing more stringent quality assurance measures. 2. Growing interest in farm-to-table and local food movements. Consumers' desire for locally sourced and traceable food has encouraged the development of vertically integrated models. These models provide a direct link between farmers and consumers, promoting transparency and supporting local economies. 3. Technological advancements. Automation, data analytics, and precision agriculture technologies have facilitated the integration of various processes within farm operations. These advancements enable farmers to better manage information flows, monitor performance, and make data-driven decisions across different stages of production. Vertical integration in farming is becoming increasingly popular as a strategy for streamlining operations and gaining greater control over the value chain. By consolidating several steps in the production and distribution process under a single entity, farmers can reap various benefits. One notable advantage of vertical integration is increased decision-making power. Farmers can make quicker decisions regarding input selection, production methods, and pricing strategies, without relying on external entities. This autonomy allows for more efficient and effective management of the entire value chain, from production to market. Cost efficiencies are also a significant benefit of vertical integration. By eliminating middlemen and reducing transaction costs, farmers can achieve cost savings. Direct control over inputs, production processes, and marketing channels allows for optimizing resource allocation and minimizing waste. Quality control is another advantage of vertical integration. Farmers have the opportunity to maintain consistent quality standards at each stage of the production process. They can monitor the entire supply chain, ensuring adherence to desired quality levels, and reducing the risk of contamination or compromised products. Vertical integration can provide market stability for farmers. By incorporating processing and marketing activities, farmers can secure a stable market for their products. This reduces vulnerability to market fluctuations, as they have more control over pricing and distribution, thereby ensuring a more predictable revenue stream. Improved traceability is also facilitated through vertical integration. Farmers can track their products from farm to fork, enhancing transparency and consumer trust. Additionally, this enables the implementation of traceability systems to comply with regulatory and certification requirements. However, it is essential to consider the potential drawbacks and challenges of vertical integration. One major challenge is the initial capital requirements. Setting up integrated farming operations often demands significant upfront investments, potentially limiting the entry of small-scale farmers. Increased complexity and management requirements are also associated with vertical integration.